How to start a faceless YouTube channel with AI. Now, most people who want to start a YouTube channel never actually do, and the reason isn't lack of videos or ideas. It's the camera. The idea of putting your face on the internet, being judged, or being recognized is simply not for everyone. Faceless YouTube channels removes that barrier entirely. There are channels generating hundreds of thousands of views and serious ad revenue where the creator has never once appeared on camera. No face, no personal brand, just well-produced content that people keep coming back to watch. And with AI tools available today, the production side of running a faceless channel has become dramatically more accessible. You do not need a studio, a camera, or even a professional microphone to get started. All you need is a niche, a content strategy, and the right combination of tools to bring it together. That is exactly what this video is going to cover, and by the end you will know how to pick a niche for a faceless channel and how to use AI to handle script writing, voiceovers, visuals, and editing, and what a realistic workflow looks like from the published idea. Now, faceless channels are not a loophole or a shortcut. They're a legitimate format that has been on YouTube for years. Channels built around topics like finance, history, meditation, software tools, or just general content. What holds these channels together is not a face. It is a consistent voice, a clear niche, and a reliable production quality. Now, what's changed recently is that AI has compressed the costs and time of producing that kind of content. Voiceover used to require either recording your own audio or hiring an actor. Visuals required stock footage subscriptions or motion graphic skills. Scripts took hours to research and write. Each of those steps now has an AI tool that can handle it faster and cheaper than traditional approach. Now, this video is going to walk you through the entire process in order from choosing your niche to setting up your AI toolkit to producing your first video to understanding what it actually takes to grow. Now, this is not a get-rich-quick pitch. It's a practical walkthrough of how this works. Now, the niche you choose is the most important decision you'll make. A faceless channel works best when the content does not need a personality to carry it. Now, as you can see, there are faceless channels where people upload anime compilations. There are faceless channels where people upload gaming knowledge, gaming lores. Then you have these types of videos. So tons and tons of different Facebook and YouTube faceless channels are given to us just as so. Now, the niche depends on you. Now, basically, there are a few categories that consistently work well for faceless formats. There could be educational content, explaining different concepts, breaking down industries, or answering questions people are actively searching for. Listicle and ranking content, which is for best tools, top destinations, ranked products. Relaxation and ambient content like study music, rain sound, sleep audio. Finance and business on how money works. And history and documentary style storytelling where the narration and visuals do all the work. Now, when you're evaluating a niche, basically, you're going to ask 3 questions. First, is there content search demand? You want a topic that people are actively looking for. So use a free tool like Google Trends or vidIQ. Now, the best I feel like is Google Trends, where you can pretty much just go ahead and search to check the search volume and competition that is all around. Secondly, can it be produced without you on a camera? Some niches like fitness or cooking are harder to do faceless, of course, because they're more practical. And thirdly, can you produce it consistently? So, of course, keeping these things in mind. Now, first of all, let's go ahead and search our niche. So let's say in our case, we're going to go and see what is trending now. Like, what are people actually searching for in today's world? So we have, FIFA World Cup going on. You could start making videos on that, or we could have anything else political going on. Now, of course, we have a lot of FIFA searches. So let's say our niche is about the FIFA World Cup. We're going to be, posting informational content on that. Now, to set up your toolkit, you need 4 things: a script gen, a voiceover tool, a visual content source, and a video editor. So for my script writing, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using ChatGPT or Claude. Now, these are the most practical options. You give it a topic, a target length, and any specific points you want covered, and it produces a structured draft. The key is not to use the output as it is a treat and, treat it as a first draft that you can change. Raw AI scripts can feel pretty generic, so your job is to, of course, sharpen them. Secondly, what we're going to be using is for our voice generation. And of course, most of us pretty much know this. It's called ElevenLabs, which is currently the strongest option available for AI voice. It offers a library of realistic AI voices, and quality has reached a point where most viewers cannot tell the difference between an AI voice and a human narrator. Now, for visuals, you have two main approaches. The first is stock footage from websites like Pexels or Unsplash. So, you could go ahead and check these out. And of course, this is for stock footage. But the second approach that you can actually go for is something like Runway ML or Pika Labs. Now, these are video generation tools where you can pretty much create any simulation that you want. And once we've gotten our stock footage, we have the video editor. And to round it all off, we're going to be using VEED.io or CapCut, which are both solid browser or desktop options that handle multi-track editing, caption gen, and basic effects without requiring professional editing skills. So once we've gotten all of this, step one is topic research. Use YouTube search bar to, find what people are already searching for. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and write, and look at that, FIFA World Cup live song, everything. So basically FIFA World Cup is all over the world right now. So we found our niche, all right? Now, step two is going to be our script generation. Now, for script generation, take your topic into GPT and give it context. So I run a Faceless YouTube channel, and I want to make it about, let's say, breakdowns and analysis on the 2026 FIFA World Cup matches. I want to analyze each match and give a full breakdown. Give me video ideas. So of course, it's going to create video ideas for you. That is what ChatGPT is for. Now, as you can see, we have this. Why Argentina destroyed Algeria. So let's say I'm going to say, okay, create a script for the first topic. Now, once you do that, basically what's going to happen from here on out is, as you can see, we get a full script. Now, what you can do is take this draft and, of course, make it sharper. So edit it, read it out loud, and if a sentence is awkward to say, you're going to want to rewrite it. Now, step three is, of course, voiceover production, where you're simply going to go over to ElevenLabs, and in ElevenLabs, you're going to choose any of these voices that you want to work with, or you can simply go over to text-to-speech, and once you go over to text-to-speech, over here, just go ahead and paste your whole script. Okay, so here's our whole script right in front of us. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be copying this, come here, and paste it in this section. Now, here we have our whole script, right? Now, all you're going to want to do from here on out is choose the voice that you want to work along with. Okay, so in my case, let's say I'm going to choose, let's go to Explore, and just choose any of the million voices it gives you. Let's say I'm going to use Adam, okay? And once we use Adam, what we're going to do from here is we're going to back out, and now we're going to have a new voice. And just as so, in this new voice, you can finally go ahead and generate a speech for yourself. Now, once your speech is generated, you're going to go ahead and assemble different visuals. So, of course, you can simply go ahead and write football. And once you go ahead and write football, you'll get tons and tons of stock imagery just as so, or you can simply go ahead and write FIFA. And even by writing FIFA, you're going to get so many images for the FIFA World Cup just as so. You're going to assemble all of this and then take all of that into VEED.io and start working along with this over here. And once it is all done, just create a thumbnail through AI and start your channel up. Now, starting a channel has never been more practical. The tool exists to handle script writing, voiceover, visuals, and editing in a fraction. The creators who do well with this model are the ones who treat it like a real content operation, consistent publishing schedule, and a good mindset. So do make sure to use this for yourself and start a Faceless channel right away as you work on. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.